How to open a Moneylion account. Alright folks, let's quickly walk through how to get your own Moneylion account up and running. It's pretty straightforward. First things first, grab a phone and head over to your App Store or Google Play Store. My mobile is Android, so I'll be using a Google Play Store over here. Simply tap on Google Play, which is over here. Now you'll be taken to this type of interface. Simply tap on the search at the bottom middle, tap on it. And that will open up a search bar for you. Simply tap on it and search for Moneylion. This is exactly how the Moneylion look like. Let's go inside the app page, and after opening it, you will see an install in the blue color, which is over here. Simply tap on it and it will automatically start downloading the app for you. The downloading time may vary depending upon your internet speed. Let's wait for a while. Once installed, tap on this open button over here. The first thing you will see is likely a button that says a sign up or a login. You can see it over here. Now hit the sign up button and get started using the Moneylion. Now they are going to ask some basic information to get you started. This usually includes your first name, last name, your email address, and you also need to create a strong password. Just put in those details. And after you fill all this information, simply tap on create account. Now log into your account. Let's enable the biometrics too. And after logging in, you will see this type of interface where you will be welcome, and you also will be asked a referral code if you have any. If you have, simply press it over here, and if you don't have, simply tap on I don't have the code, which is at the second. Slap on it and tap on escape. And after that, you will be asked to secure account with the emails. I will read what's written on here. The emails you select will be used to authenticate your identity while logging in. Let me choose one of them. This one. After choosing that, simply tap on continue. Then after that, you will be asked to link your bank account to unlock the exclusive features and offer. And over here you can see 3 options. First one is up to $5 instant cash, and there's personal loan and the bank security level and or. Right now I'm not going to link it. Simply tap on this remind me later. So you can do it later too. And now you can personalize your products and experience. There's InstaCash, Credit Builder Plus, Roar Money, Moneyline Wow, Games, Investing, and many more. For now, let's tap on referred by a friend. You can choose the option that you like, and that's pretty much of it. We have successfully created Moneyline account. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.